In February of 2009, Rewboss contacted me and asked me to perform the narration for a documentary called Brogovarian Nasal Singing to use in his new video called The Twit, Microblogging for Losers. He sent me the script that he wrote for this documentary and I recorded the dialogue, but then I decided to take it several steps further and create what I thought it would sound like as a complete documentary. Now, I had no way of knowing what Brogovarian nasal singing sounded like, and after hours of research at my local library and on Google, and then finally asking Rewboss about it himself via email, I discovered that there's no such country or place for that matter as Brogovaria, and therefore no such thing as Brogovarian nasal singing. So I had to make it up. So here's the audio of the Brogovarian nasal singing documentary I created, accompanied by Rewboss's original footage of himself watching it.
Scientists have been investigating the tonal qualities of Brogovarian nasal singing for many years.
Somebody kill me.
The study has found many similarities with the mating call of the lesser spotted tripe warbler found in great numbers in the wetlands to the north of the country. Studies have also repeatedly shown that the frequencies in the higher ranges are those particularly suited to the acoustic qualities of the wetlands and can carry for up to 16 kilometers. It has been posited that nasal singing began as a way for the locals to communicate between the scattered villages and farmsteads in the area. And indeed, the introduction of a telephone service has coincided with a decline in the practice of this ancient art.
Now, I don't often make myself laugh, but when I recorded what I thought Brogovarian nasal singing might sound like, it was hard not to. Here's the outtake.
Oh, God. Oh my God.
Okay, so please click anywhere on this video or the link directly below it and watch Rewboss's The Twit, Microblogging for Losers. Thanks.